Hello and welcome to this mytrbk tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add in distance calculations for the days. Now down here we've got this box that says travel, where you can type in whatever you want to do with the travel, and it's got this box here that says use automatic distance calculations, and you can put in a custom formatting. Now the first place to start with this is in the settings page. I'm going to go over the settings page in another video in full, but down here in this we have the distance settings, which say use automatic distance calculations. Now you can globally turn these off, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave these on, and we can add time to the estimate. So let's say you're on a tour bus and it travels a bit slower and has to make some stops and drivers need their rest time. Well, you could add 20% to all the time estimates, and this is the default distance formatting. So you can see it will say here estimated travel time, and it will put in here where it says miles the number of miles, and it will put in here the number of kilometers, and it will put in the hours and the minutes. So that should be reasonably self-explanatory, and that will operate for the whole tour. Now if you want to do something different for a particular day, you can do that down here, and it takes the same distance format there for the automatic distance. So if you want to have a different formatting for this particular day, you can do that there, or you can turn it off for this day altogether and put in something custom, which I'm going to do on the last day. So for the travel home, I'm going to turn off the automatic distance calculation, and I'm going to put in here a couple of custom distances. So I need to go from where we were the day before, which is the SSE Hydro, the Glasgow Hydro, and I need to go to the Manchester Piccadilly station, because that's our first journey. And as you can see, it will say estimated travel time between the SSE Hydro at Manchester Piccadilly station, 4 hours 30 minutes. And I'm going to add in another one of those. So now I want to know the time between Manchester and King's Cross. So we're going to go Manchester Piccadilly Station and King's Cross. And that will put that in. That's 4 hours 45 minutes. And I'm going to add one more distance calculation, which will be from King's Cross to Southampton Central. And that's there. I'm going to add in a line there just so it spaces them out nicely. So that is how to add distance calculations to your tour, and I'll see you in the next video.